default artboard is open here. When I click on this file new, right, you want to customize this artboard from the toolbox. Here this is called menu bar, and these are like views, like a design view, prototype view, and share view. These are the three splits we have here. Windows initially will work with design view, and I'll switch on this. So now choose the artboard tool. As soon as select the artboard tool properties you'll get from the properties inspector here. Okay, now what is the dimension of this existing artboard? 1020 by 1080, and your landscape mode or portrait mode, how you want to create, right? Now the next one is here, whether the site is responsive resize, you want to make it or not. By default it's an off mode, and if you want you can on this button. Now appearance is artboard color white color by default here, and if you want to change the color by from white to some different color here, you can use this one, right? A white color is default color. Now the next point is, if you want to enable the grid, you can use a grid here. Enable is grid option, layout or squares. You want to make it a grid system, grid checker boxes kind of thing you want to create, or you want to take here layout. That depends upon the artist comfort levels we can use. But this is a grid, this is called layout. That's called 8 column, 16 column, 12 column. That is depends upon the theme which we are using in the coding. You need to use this column grid 100%, right? By default here 12 is there, and as soon as you give 8, so automatically according to the dimension of the artboard, automatically columns and gutter space will adjust. And here gutter width I'll give you for example 10, or I'll use here something called 20. So automatically column width is generated here. Automate and manual both we have here. There's a different margin for each side. For example, you want to create in a manual this one, left side you want to leave for only 20 pixels and other side is 100 pixels. Click on this. So here we have left, bottom, left, top, and something called here right. These two are right here. Okay, right and left, and here top and bottom. Here for example use this margin top, marginal I think right this is, and bottom, and right 1. Hope you understood. So by default margin right and left automatically it is taking. For example only 100 by 100 I want to take. Use this manual option here, 100 by 100 and take here 100 by 100. See, automatically column width is increased 180 to 197 or something. It is variated, right? Now I'll switch off this guides for time being, and here this is a web layout by default, and you want to use a different layouts here: mobile layout, tablet layouts, and web and desktop layout, and social media layout. Which one you want? And watch, like smartwatch screens you want to create. Hope you understood. For example, I'll use here iPhone 13 12 Max Pro, or here 13 12 Pro. So 428 by 926 is the dimension here. I'll take this one here, iPhone this one, right? I inserted new one and select this artboard, and I'll delete, press delete command. Easily you can delete here, right? iPhone 13 or 12, 13 of max dimension we can use. Both are same here, right? Now control 0, fit in window according to the selection. Now double click here and rename this. For example, screen 1 I'll give you, right? Screen 1. Hope you understood.